We will study the relation between voltages and the numbers of turns in the coils of a transformer. This is a simple transformer. Both the primary and secondary coils have 10 turns. Connect the coils to 2 digital voltmeters. Switch on the power supply. Calculate the ratio of the voltmeter readings and compare it with the ratio of the numbers of turns in the coils. Change the applied voltage. Compare the ratios of voltmeter readings and the numbers of turns in the coils. Wound the coils on a wooden rod. Repeat the experiment.